Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a Shopify store. So to create a Shopify store, you need to go to the URL shopify.com and you will find the option for start free trial. Okay, so you need to input your email address. Then in here you will see you have the 14 days trial option and you need to input a password. Then you will also see the store URL. Okay, so what will be the store URL for you? So in that case, if you want to edit it, then you can do it. For me, it's theme TEC, or if you want to write something else, you can do it. If that name is available, then you can use that. For me, it's okay for theme TEC. Okay, go ahead and create your store. Now you need to input some more information, but if you want, you can skip it. Now you need to input your addresses. So Nafiul Hassan, and I'm inputting my address. Input my phone number and enter my store. So we have successfully created our store. In the next video, I'm going to overview our dashboard. Okay? So till now, bye bye.